What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Auto Anatomy. On this episode we're going to weld up all the holes from the old vinyl roof that were in the drip rail, and going to start working on replacing the passenger side inner door skin and getting rid of those two big holes that somebody had hacked up in the door. So let's get started. So we've got the passenger side old door with the good inner skin on here, and as I think I said before, I'm just going to separate this right at this seam. I do have a little bit of rust repair to do in this corner, and then come right along underneath this gasket the whole way and cut it off right there. And what that'll do is it'll give me a good point that's going to be easy to hide the weld underneath the gasket, and go ahead and take this textured piece from the old door and put it on the new door. So you can see somebody had lopped a pretty big hole here on this, and it's not that easy just to replace the textured metal. Okay, so I've got the good passenger side inner door skin all off. I'll just kind of show you this here. Still have to repair this one little section right there. And got the old beat up one all up on the stand here and ready to take off. So I've marked here, there's a bunch of spot welds we have to drill. There's a couple here, two here, and then two here, and then make the cut all along the outside of the door, and then we'll get it separated. That's going to do it for this episode of Auto Anatomy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see here, consider subscribing and click on that bell to be notified when new videos come out. The next video will replace the driver's side outer door skin, and I'll give you a sneak preview of what's going to be powering the Project Code Blue Mustang. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.